question. I can't stop comparing myself to my ex's new partner. It's eating me alive. What can I do about this? First of all, I want you to know that we're all been there. After a breakup, it's probably one of the most common things that you experience, especially when your ex is moving on so fast. It's very hard to comprehend because you probably been the dumpy, they were the dumper. You still have emotions, feelings, you're still connected. You don't fully understand what the fuck is going on. This is why you're here seeking for answers, why you feel the way you do. And in today's session, I'm going to give you all the answers. I'm going to start by telling you why you do this. That's the first thing that you must realize, why you do that. And when you get this, it will bring you ease. You're like, okay, I know why I do that. And then we're going to move to strategies to help you stop comparing yourself with your ex's new partner and regain your self-confidence back. I'm Coach Paz Goldman, your relationship and breakup coach. Now, why the hell do you do that? This is a self-preservation mechanism, self-reflection and growth. Comparison is natural human behavior that helps us evolve. Human beings are designed to procreate. As a result of that primal instinct, we seek to be the most attractive that we can in order for us to find the best mate. So when someone steals our mate, this primal instinct kicks in and we have the need to know what they have that we don't. So we can acquire that too to be as desirable as them. And this is a good thing. This is a very good thing. We're going to cover that more. But this is a good thing. I know. Say, I don't want to be like my ex's new partner, but you compare yourself to them because subconsciously you think that they have something you don't. Subconsciously you're threatened by them. That's a good thing. And I'm going to tell you how to use it later on this video. So stick with me. Number two is you try to find flaws in them to make you feel better about yourself. So this is two things why you keep comparing yourself to them. Number one, the primal instinct. This is the self-preservation mechanism. And number two, you're just trying to find flaws in their new partner to say, sucker, you see, they're no better than me. They're actually worse than me. And it just makes you feel a little bit better to know that they downgraded and not really upgraded. More often than not, your ex will downgrade. If it's very fast after you guys broke up or they cheated or monkey benched on you, more often than not, they downgraded. Downgraded. You know what? I'm gonna say more often than not, it's always they're downgrading because they're taking a person that is emotionally unavailable. Even, if they're better looking or have more money or whatever, because I've heard that and I saw it in the comments. They said, yeah, but my ex's new boyfriend have more money than me and have six pack. So you know what? This is where I'm telling you that this is a good thing because you say, okay, if this is what's going on, this is what they have, I'll have that too. So it actually pushes you to become the best version of yourself because the best version of yourself have more money and have a six pack. So that's good. You got to see it this way. You got to see that this breakup happened for you and not to you. You're not the victim here. You're the victor. Once you flip your mindset and you see it for the way it is, that you are the victor, everything changes. The sting and the pain goes away because the sting and the pain that you're feeling, by the way, the sting and the pain, you know what? I would say that the sting and the pain is inevitable. It is inevitable. But the suffering is, you can avoid it because suffering is just taking on all of this pain and sit with it and not being productive about any of that and feel petty and sorry for yourself for what happened. When you become the victor and this pain is actually constructive, you can alchemize this pain into beauty and you say, this is what happens. This person have more money than me. I'm going to work on my game. I'm going to make more money. They have better body. I'm going to work on my body. Like whatever it is, this is for you to evolve. And I don't say you need to emulate their new boyfriend or girlfriend or whatever. But if there's something about another person that you like, acquire what you admire. That is a good thing for your evolution. So realize once again, look at your breakup from a standpoint that it happened for you and not to you. So when you see that it happened for you and not to you, your ex's new partner, You're like, okay, let me show them how I really am. And don't do it for them. I want to correct myself when I say that, because I don't want you to do this for them. I want you to do this for you, only for you. If they will get jealous, which I know you want them to be jealous, it's all right. But don't make them the first priority. This is why I say this breakup happened for you, not to you. So once this breakup happened, it's no longer about your ex. It's no longer about them. If you can use them as a motivator to become better, by all means. By all means. But don't let that be the main thing that propels you forward, because you don't want to be reliant on someone else for your health, mental health, physical health, or spiritual health, everything. You don't want to be reliant on no one. You need to find a way to meet your own needs and fall back in love with yourself. This is the healing journey, it's the self love journey. And I'm teaching you this in the Rise of the Phoenix, my online healing coaching program, which I am offering this for you now for only $37. And this program is everything that you need in order for you to heal, take your mind off your ex, back on you, because I see you guys, you watch a lot of my YouTube videos and then you watch other channels, you start getting confused and frustrated. So if you feel frustrated and confused, get the program in order for you to walk the path of healing. And I'm taking you step by step, because if you find my videos helpful and you resonate with my message, I just really want to take you hand in hand. We have a Q&A section there, which you can ask me direct questions. I can help you. I can be there for you. When it's on YouTube, I get hundreds and thousands of views sometimes, and I can't be with everybody. So when you're in my community, when you're in my program, I got you. With that said, let's not work on strategies that help you stop comparing yourself with your ex's new partner, and how you're going to regain your self-confidence back. Number one, like I already said before, acquire what you admire. Acquire what you admire. Use the envy energy to better yourself. Don't avoid it. Don't. That's okay. If their new partner have qualities you don't, get them. Work on yourself. It's very simple. It's very simple. Just work on yourself and getting them. Shift your focus to your own growth. Set new personal goals, whether it's fitness, career, or hobbies, and invest in yourself. Channeling your energy towards improvement helps you shift your attention from your ex's life back to your own. This is what you need to do. You need to put the attention back onto you, everything back onto you. The spotlight needs to be on you, my friend. Remember, number two, remember your unique worth. Remind yourself daily of your unique strengths, qualities, and talents. Make a list of everything that makes you you, from your kindness to your talents, and read it often. You really want to reinforce your uniqueness, your self-worth, because in this breakup you probably lost your identity. You probably lost who you really are, and this is why it's so crucial that you remind yourself of that. Because you see, when you talk to a friend and you feel down, what this friend is telling you? It's telling you, oh no, you're amazing, you're great, you're this, you're that, look at your life, look at what you've done, look at what you accomplished, look who you become, and they remind you of who you are. So if you don't have someone to remind you of who you are, or even if you do, make sure that you are the one who reminds you who you are constantly. And then you don't need other people's validation or approval, not friends, not family, and of course not a partner, because you are whole within yourself. This is the healing. You're healing yourself. You become whole again. And when you become whole again, you will start a new relationship from a place of a want and not a need. You will not be needing a partner. You will go into a relationship because you want it, because you find value in this person. You find that the value that you bring can elevate this person. This person can elevate even you, and you co-create. This is the beauty of it. But in order for you to achieve that, you must do the work on yourself. It will not happen a minute sooner. Now, focus on how far you've come since the breakup. Celebrate your journey. If every small victory, from feeling stronger emotionally to enjoying new interests, It's a reminder that your growth is meaningful. Be your own best friend in this breakup, not your own worst adversary. You need you now. You need everything that can help, support, and guide you towards your heart again. Your self worth, your self love, who you really are. You have an option here to rediscover yourself. If you need help with that, get the Rise of the Phoenix, my online healing coaching program, or get a one on one call with me where I can help you and guide you through your journey to heal, to find yourself, to become the best version of yourself. With that said, you guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. I love you, and I will see you again in the next one. Adios.